at the famous Arbuckle fried pies. Let's go check it out. Here's this little eating area. And you get to eat by Bigfoot if you choose. And this would be where you get your pies up here. Here's the whole menu of them. If you want coffee and soda, that's there. Look at all these pies. They even got like a little filling station over there. That's how many orders they do daily. That's crazy. Look at all these pies. Man. We're getting lemon, cherry, Polish sausage, and potato, and then sausage, egg, and cheese. While I'm waiting, I'm going to do a little exploring, see what's up here at this balcony area. Looks like there's seating that way. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be up here, but I saw this door up here, so now I want to walk up to it. Let's see, let's see, let's see. It'd be crazy if they had some like haunted story. Oh. And I'm up here just gallivanting around. Looks like just business stuff in there. Here we have a picture of the lemon one. Looks like blackberries, pumpkin. There's that coconut one, pineapple, and the pecan pie one. That pecan pie one looks solid. That might have to be one I come back for. Whenever I take another bite, I can. I like this.
You do like it? Mm-hmm. It is really good.